Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. Today I'm going to give you a little update as to where I'm at with the car. The doors are already done. They're ready to get installed back in the car. I've had a couple of comments stating that how come I did the painting on this first and not start on the bodywork. The thing is that this is inside. This is going to be inside the car. Everything's going to be closed, so I'm not going to mess with this once it's back on the car. That's one of the reasons. I'm going to start on the bodywork. The bodywork on these doors are already done, so I'm not going to mess with that. So the fenders are already done. Let me take you towards the car. The fenders are already done on the bodywork. They're already been sanded. I still need to start on the hood, the trunk, and the cell areas. That's the only thing that's left on the car. So I'm going to install these back and close everything up so I can start sanding the rest of the car. That's one of the reasons I did it this way. And besides, this is going to be, the inside was going to be black and the outside is going to be that candy red. So I need to do it this way. I'm going to show you guys how to tape off the inside so you don't get overspray, and you'll have a nice clean lines where the two colors meet. So I'll show you that. Another thing is that alright guys, this is another thing I wanted to show you. Everything has been gutted out. Carpet's going to be pressure washed, seats, everything. So the car's going to be brand new when it's done. But another thing I wanted to talk to you about is I don't know if you guys seen the new gun that Harbor Freight has. It's called the Black Widow. I wanted to make a review on it. I don't know, it's a lot cheaper than getting one of the high expensive guns, so that would be good for you guys. So if you are interested in that, I'm trying to get a hold of one, and if you're interested in that, if you want to help out so that I can get a hold of one and get myself a review on it, hit the link below, help me out. If you can, like I said before, if you do, I'll add your name on the next video, and the proceeds will be for that paint gun. That way I can make a video, make a review on it, and see how those guns perform, how that gun performs. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. Like the video. It's a very short video, but it's a little update as to where I'm at right now. And hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Again guys, thank you. This coming weekend will be hopefully the candy paint job. It's already to that point, so this coming weekend will be that candy paint job, guys, so don't miss out on that one. I'll show you some techniques that you guys need to do in order for a flawless paint job on a candy. Alright guys, thank you. I'm going to be using that Tamco Clear. So also hit the link below, guys. Help me out so I can do a review on that gun. And God bless. Have a great week. See you next weekend.